Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, linear equation in one variable. In these chapters, we are going to discuss exercise 2.2, question number 9. Question number 9 have there. Question number 9 have the age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. Okay, this is given the age of Rahul and Harun in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later. 4 years later means after 4 years. Okay, 4 years later means after 4 years, the sum of their age will be 56 years. Okay, so question asks what are their percent age. Okay, in this question, the first given the age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their age will be 56 years. What are their present age? Okay, so how we find this question? First we let, because the age of ratio is given here 5:7, so we let the age of Rahul and Harun, present age of Rahul and Harun is 5x and 7x. Okay, so age of Rahul after 4 years or 4 years later, this is equal to 5x plus 4, and age of Harun after 4 years, this is equal to 7x plus 4. Okay, so if we sum them, 4 years later, the sum of Rahul and Harun's is 56. Then if we sum them 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4, this is equal to 56, and we simplify it and find the value of x, and in this way we can find the percentage of Rahul and the percentage of Harun. So let's see how to solve this question. Okay, so in this question, question number 9, this is given. In this question, question number 9, this is given. Now we let the percentage of let and the present age of Rahul and Harun be, and Harun be 5x and 7x respectively, and because their age ratio is given 5:7. Okay, the age of Rahul after 4 years, we can write here age of Rahul after 4 years. Age of Rahul after 4 years or 4 years later, this is equal to 5x plus 4 years. Now and age of Harun after 4 years, this is equal to 7x plus 4. 7x plus 4. Okay, so you can see here we let the Rahul age and Harun age according to their age ratio 5x and 7x, and Rahul age after 4 years will be 5x plus 4, and Harun age after 4 years will be 7x plus 4. Now according to conditions, if we add them, we obtain 56. So we write here according to the question. According to according to the question, we have what we have. We have, if we add them, age after 4 years, age of Rahul and age of Harun, then we obtain 56. Okay, this is the age of Rahul after 4 years, and this is 7 years plus 4. This is the age of Harun after 4 years. If we sum them, we obtain 56 according to the questions. Okay, now when you open this bracket, we obtain simply 5x plus 4x plus 7x plus 4x. This is equal to 56. Clear? Now 5x plus 7x, this is equal to 12x. 5x plus 7x, this is equal to 12x plus 4x plus 4, this is equal to 8. Now in right hand side we can write 56 as it is, but here you can see this is x, this is x. 5x plus 7x, this is equal to 12x, 4 plus 4, this is equal to 8. Now we transferring this 8 to right hand side, then we have in left hand side is 12x, this is equal to, you can write it 56 minus 8, or we can write it 12x, this is equal to 56 minus 8, this is equal to 48. And what is the value of x? 48 by 12. If you transferring 12 on that side, it means that right hand side, then the 48 divided by 12. So here you can simply find x. Here we have 12x is equal to 48. Okay. Now x is equal to 48 by 12. Or x is equal to 4. The value of x is 4. So we need to find the percentage of Harun and the percentage of Rahul. But here we let the percentage of Rahul be 5x and the percentage of Harun is 7x. Okay. So but we find the value of x here. So in this way you can say the percentage of Harun is 7 into 5, 7 into 4, and the percentage of Rahul is 5 into 4, because the value of x is where you can see we find 4. So at last we can write here, hence and the present age of Rahul, this is equal to 5 into 4, 20 years. Okay, and the percentage of age of Harun, this is equal to 7 into 4, this is equal to 28 years. Okay, 20 years. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood this question, how to solve such questions. If the ratio of 2 person is given and some condition also given after 5 years, after 4 years, before 4 years, and there subtraction is also given, then you can find the percentage of the given persons. In this question, the question have the age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7, and 4 years later the sum of their present age will be 4 years later the sum of their age will be 56. So first we find in this question, let the present age of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x according to their age ratio, and after this we find their sum after 4 years. So age of Rahul after 4 years is 5x plus 4, and age of Harun After 4 years is 7x plus 4. If you sum them, then we obtain 56 according to this question. So here you can see we sum them and simplify, and we find the value of x is 4, and in this way we find the present age of Rahul is 20 years and present age of Harun is 28 years. So let's see next questions. What is the next question? Now in question number 10, the question 10 have the number of boys and girls in the class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? In this question, the boys and girls ratio are given 7:5, and one condition is also included here. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Okay, the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So what is the total strength of class? It means that we sum to find the total strength of class, we sum the girls and number of girls plus number of boys. Okay, so how we find how we solve this question? For this, first we let the number of girls is x. Let the number of girls be x. So the number of boys is equal to x plus 8, because in this question this condition is include that the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So here we take let number of girls is x, and so the number of boys is equal to x plus 8, and their ratio is also given 7:5. The boys ratio girls is given here 7:5. Okay, then we use this ratio and try to solve the value of x. Then we find the number of boys and number of girls, and also we find the total strength of the class. So let's see how to do it. This is the next question number 10. In this question, and the condition is given the number of boys is greater than 8 more than number of girls. Okay, and the boys ratio girls is also given 7:5. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. Let in this question number 10 we let and the number of girl be x. Okay, and then what is the number of boys? X plus 8. The number of girls be x, then the number of boys, this is equal to 8 more than girls, so number of girls is x, so number of boys is x plus 8. Okay, and also the given ratio, if you find their ratio, so this becomes boys ratio girls is 7/8. Okay, so according to condition, and according to condition questions, we have what is the boy ratio girls? Boy ratio girls means number of boys by number of girls. This is a ratio. So this is number of boys is x plus 8 by x. This is equal to given the ratio of boys and the girls is given 5:7. Okay, sorry, 7:5. So first you write in boys ratio girls. Okay, so boys ratio girls, this is given 7:5. Okay, so here we let boys is x plus 8 and ratio girls is x. this is equal to 7 ratio 5. Or you can write, if you change ratio in the fractions, then we obtain uh, this becomes x plus 8 by x. This is equal to 7 ratio 5, it's become 7 by 5. Now we use cross multiplication method. It means that this numerator is multiplied by this denominators, and this denominator is multiplied by this numerators. Okay, so this implies that 5 into x plus 8, this is equal to x into 7. So we obtain here 5 into x 5x plus 5 into 8 40. Here we obtain x into 7 7x. Clear? Now we can write like this, 7x minus 5x is equal to 40, or 2x is equal to 40. You can write x is equal to 20. Okay, so here you can see we find the value of x. X is the number of girls, and what is the number of boys? The number of boys x plus 8. This is equal to 20 plus 8 28. So we need to find here the number of total strength of classroom, total class strength. Okay, so first you find number of boys here, number of girls is equal to 20. Now number of boys is equal to 20 plus 8, this is equal to 28. But we need to find total class strength. The total class strength is equal to number of boys plus number of girls. Number of boys is 28 and number of girls is 20. It's become 48. Okay. So question asked to us, what is the total class strength? So let's see. We can write here total class strength. Total class strength is equal to number of boys 28 plus number of girls 20. This is equal to 48. This is the total class strength. In these questions, we have the ratio of boys and girls is 7:5, and also one condition is given here, the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So we need to find what is the total class strength. So for this, first we let the number of girls be x, then the number of boys becomes x plus 8, because in this question the one condition is given that the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Now, and again his ratio is given 7:5. So you can see here boys ratio girls is 7:5. So we let number of boys is x plus 8 and the number of girls is x. This is equal to 7:5, or if you convert it in the fractions, you will obtain x plus 8 by x is equal to 7/5. And if we use cross multiplication method, then we obtain 5 into x plus 8, this is equal to x into 7. When you open this bracket and operate and this 5 in this bracket, and then we obtain x plus x into 5, 5x plus 5 into 8, 40. And in right hand side we obtain 7x. And when we transfer 7x this side, 5x this side, okay, then we obtain 7 minus x is equal to 40, or 2x is equal to 40, or x is equal to 20. So 20 is the number of girls, okay, and the number of boys is equal to 20 plus 8, 28. In this way, here you can see we find total class strength 28 plus 20. Okay, this is equal to 48. Now we are going to discuss next questions. In these questions, uh, Baishing's father's age is given. In this question, Baishing's father is 20 years younger than Baishing grandfathers and 20 years older than Baishing's. Okay, and the sum of the age of all three is 135. What is the age of one of them? Here in this question, first information is given. The Baochung's fathers is 26 years younger than Baochung's grandfathers and 29 years older than the Baochung's. Okay. So here first we let the age of Baochung's be x. Then Baochung's fathers is x plus 29 because according to these questions, Baochung's fathers is 29 years old than Baochung's. Okay, and Baochung's grandfather's age is equal to 26 years old than Baochung's fathers. Baochung's grandfathers is 26 years old than Baochung's fathers. Okay, so Baochung's grandfather is equal to x plus 26 plus 29. This is equal to x plus 55. If you sum the three age, then it's become 135 according to these questions. Okay, in these questions, this information is given that the Baochung's fathers is 29 years old than Baochung's and 26 years younger than Baochung's grandfathers, and their sum is three sums. Is the three Baochung's fathers and Baochung's grandfathers, and this is equal to 135. So find what is the age of each of them. Okay, so let's see how to solve these questions. Let Baochung age be x. Let Baochung's age be x years. Okay. So what is the age of Baochung's fathers? Baochung's father's age is 29 years older than Baochung's age. Okay, so Baochung's father's age. Baochung's father age. This is equal to x plus 29 because father's is 29 years older than Baochung's. Okay, now we need to find the Baochung's grandfather's age. Okay, grandfather's age. So father of Baochung's is 26 years older. 26 years younger than the Baochung's grandfather. So if you add 26 years in the age of Baochung's father age, then you obtain Baochung's grandfather age. Okay, so let's how to find Baochung's grandfather age. Okay, so now at hand Baochung's grandfather is, this is equal to x plus 29. This is the father age, Baochung's father age plus 26. This is equal to Baochung's grandfather age. If you add 26 in the Baochung's father age, then we obtain Baochung's grandfather age. Okay, 20x plus 26 plus 29. this is equal to x plus 55. Okay, so this is equal to x plus 55. Okay, we let here the age of Bao Ching's is x years and the age of Bao Ching's father is x plus 29, because this is given 29 years old then the Bao Ching's. Okay, and this is the age of Bao Ching's grandfather's x plus 55. If you add them, then we obtain 135. This is given in these questions. Okay, so we can write here according to the condition. According to the question, we have, okay, so age of Bao Ching's is x years plus age of Bao Ching's father is x plus 29, and age of Bao Ching's grandfather is x plus 55. This is equal to given 135. Now we open the bracket, we open here x plus x plus x, x plus x plus x is equal to 3x, and 29 plus 55, this is equal to 84. Okay, so this is equal to, this implies that this is equal to x 3x plus 29 plus 54, this is equal to 84. This is equal to 135. Now clear? Now this is equal to, this implies that 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. When you subtract, when you subtract 84 from 135, then we obtain 51s. Okay, 3x is equal to 51. 5 minus 4, this is equal to 1, and 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Okay, now x is equal to 51 minus 3 by 3, or you can say x is equal to 17. What is x? X is the age of Bao Ching's. Okay, so here you can see the age of Bao Ching's is 17 years. Okay, Bao Ching's age is 17 years. So what is the age of fathers? So father's age, Bao Ching's father's age is equal to 17 plus 29, this is equal to 46. Okay, and what is the age of grandfather? Here you can see the grandfather's age is x plus 55. Okay, so the value of x is, here you find 17. So when we add the 17 plus 55, this is becomes 72 years. So let's see how to find their age. So here this place, because hence you can write here hence Bao Ching's age. Bao Ching's age is equal to 17 years. Okay, and Bao Ching's will represent B by Bao Ching's father's age. Okay, Bao Ching's father's age. This is equal to 17 plus 29. 17 plus 29, this is equal to 46. Okay, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Carry 6, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3 is 4. This is equal to 46 years. Okay, now grandfather, Bao Ching's grandfather. So we write here Bao Ching's for being Bao Ching's grandfather. Grandfather age. Father's age. This is equal to Bao Ching's grandfather is equal to x plus 15. Okay, so x is 17 plus 55. Where here you can see you find Let the Bawanching's father age is grandfather is x plus 55. So x is 17 and plus 55. This is equal to 72 years. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Okay, in these questions, first we let the Bawanching's age be x years, and then you again find the Bawanching's father's age is equal to x plus 29, because question told us that the Bawanching's father is 29 years older than Bawanching's, and after this we find the Bawanching grandfather's age, and the Bawanching grandfather's age is Bawanching grandfather is 26 years older than his father, Bawanching's father. So in this way you can write the Bawanching's grandfather age is x plus 55, and if you sum the three age, means Bawanching age, Bawanching's father's age, and Bawanching's grandfather's age, then we obtain 135 years. Okay, so here you can see V8, then this is Bawanching's age, Bawanching's father's age, Bawanching's grandfather's age, and this is equal to 135. And we simplified, and here we find the value of x is 17. What is the value of x? 17, and we let x is the Bawanching's present age. Okay, so you can see here the Bawanching's age is 17 years, Bawanching's father's age is 17 plus 29, this is equal to 46 years, and Bawanching's grandfather age is 17 plus 55, this is equal to 72 years. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions, and enough for today. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.